Yeah, hey, besizodla nje i-daily bread yethu entsha. Our new daily bread.
Your new daily bread.
Yeah, called Milford. The Friends of Kaizer Chiefs.
Oh, get the Friends of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, the team le bayibiza ngeMilford, the only team abayaziyo la ku PSL Kaizer Chiefs. Bake bayikhipha ku Nedbank anyana. Bayikhipha nje, bayikhipha. Kahle kahle besizolamlelo lamthuthu la kubangani babo namhlanje. Yeah.
How did you see the game overall? Uyibonijwa?
Hayi Pakani yalidlalile today. More special first 20 minutes. Sidlalile, then there and there from 25 minutes to get half time sa dropper. Then the fresh legs as introduced le coach. Is pushy. Sipushile futhi sisinikeza umdla ukuthi angathi this season sizothatha yonke into. Yonke into soyithatha.
Thatha yonke into.
Sithatha yonke into even eAfrica iCAF siyayithatha.
Bathi duze. Bathi la mara utheni wena?
Hayi iCAF mayila kulaba bayazi nabo vele kuma competition games like kuma cup games bayazi nje ukuthi hayi asidlali nokudlala nabo asidlali draw nabo siyabashaya sifane nje sibadonatela abo 3 points la ku league kuma cup games bayazi mayikubo into bayazi ukuthi into yethu le siyoyilanda
yoyilanda mamela ke yomakhi urwayibadla M108 urutlo ingako kapini uri wena
I remember into enoyisho mina anifuna M108 kufunwa iM108 kumi nilibhakaniya mina ngigcine iM108 yami kumi so yabo so iprotect iM108 yami abantu abafunayo abolamthuthu abayigqibela iM108 kusaphila uNelson Mandela noRobert Mugabe thina iM108 disho ingane ena 15 years ngo ayibazo lamthuthu bewini M108 yazi Orlando Pirates M108 so iM108 ifunwa kuthi kahle kahle ileague ifunwa kuthi kahle kahle iCarling Cup ifunwa kuthi kanti yeah
so when you're going to hunt in Nedbank and the CAF
iNedbank neCAF already iCAF ilula indaba yeCAF la kwiNedbank Funa nje baqale nje basusele lamahlathi la thina so deala nabo Sundowns nabo lamthuthu yeah lapho ku last 4 olamthuthu
no final
AIFC ulamthuthu
kima
AIFC ulamthuthu ikamelisha ka 2020
kima
Kaizer Chiefs AIFC Kaizer Chiefs AIFC AI lamthuthu la benza so yabo la benza so olamthuthu kule season olamthuthu nifuna ukusho nje ukuthi siyam welcome ku M108 kodwa akazi uqualify for M108 makuphela season yeah
how they are not qualifying
ulamthuthu ubuyela back ku number 11 makuphela le season makuphela le season lamthuthu ubuyela back ku number 11
default setting
iPirates iteka inkwashu this season
yeah ari ko leboka member
dango member siyabona